Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create futuristic new ingredient frame in Photoshop. Create a rectangle with shape tool, double click to open layer styles and enable gradient overlay and open gradient editor. You can use cane, magenta and purple for the strokes. Set to style to angle for a rotating blend and add a stroke with the same gradient applied. Duplicate and scale the frame for layering. Set blending mode to screen for bright glow and add a dark background for contrast. Use blur on the bottom layer. Now you will see a glowing futuristic frame and add a center logo or text inside it. This effect works